Something extraordinary is happening in Burkina Faso. Do you know that for the first time in Africa, Burkina Faso now boasts of an entire city that is completely dependent on solar energy? And guys, you need to watch this video till the end because Captain Ibrahim Traore is leading Africa in a solar power plant revolution that is changing the landscape of solid infrastructural development across the continent of Africa. Now, if you have been following the channel, you would recall that I mentioned that for the next 2 months, Worker Diary will be showcasing every aspect of massive turnaround going on in the country of Burkina Faso, and I said we're going to share all of them here. And so far, I've posted about 3 videos in a separate playlist which I tagged Burkina Faso on the channel, so please do well to watch them after this one. Hello, my name is Walker and I remain your host here on the channel Worker Diary. And if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification, like this video to attract attention across the YouTube platform, and then comment your thoughts in the comment section. Most importantly, do not forget to share this video across social media platforms so that people can get to see how Africa is refuting the dangerous lies of the West and its mercenaries. Now, if you're set, let us dive straight into the video. For decades, Burkina Faso has been faced with severe energy crisis and challenges, with over 80% of the population lacking access to reliable electricity. This results in high reliance on fossil fuel for cars and motorcycles, firewood for cooking and heating, leading to heavy deforestation and environmental degradation that largely contributes to climate change by releasing greenhouse gases and exacerbating the effects of drought in the region, and in turn, further impacting food security and increasing the vulnerability of the population of the country. So the need for sustainable energy solutions became more urgent as traditional energy sources were insufficient, leading to a push for innovative alternatives. But since assuming office, Captain Ibrahim Traore's government is now tackling the energy crisis head-on by promoting sustainable and clean energy solutions that mitigate climate change's impact and build a more resilient future for the people. Burkina Faso's commitment to transitioning into a low-carbon economy and adapting to the changing climate is now a revolutionary movement that is currently changing the infrastructural landscape across Africa. From Burkina Faso to Mali, to Morocco, to Kenya, to Uganda, and even South Africa, the language now is renewable energy power plants. And it is interesting to note that Burkina is leading the path by building the first solar energy powered city in the continent. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the bustling and ambitious first solar energy powered city of Komsilga in Burkina Faso. A town that is 100% renewable energy compliant with solar energy powering almost all functional aspects. A town where solar grid power homes, businesses, reducing reliance on fossil fuel. A town that features cutting-edge water treatment plant powered by solar energy, ensuring access to clean water and improved living conditions for the people, and decreasing greenhouse gas emissions, which on a larger scale has a positive impact on the environment and helps reduce the country's carbon footprint. Today, the solar-powered water treatment plant in Consilga has reduced tremendously the strain on water resources, which was becoming increasingly scarce due to climate change. Komsilga is a province in central Burkina Faso. It is located 25 kilometers south of the capital city of Ouagadougou. Generally, Komsilga people are residents of the Consilga department in central Burkina Faso, specifically in the Kiluga province. According to a population census in 2019, Komsilga, comprising of 36 villages, had a population of about 137,278, all of which are largely into agriculture and other related businesses. Because of the presence of dams in the area, the people of Consilga are largely into gardening and farming of vegetables such as onions, spring onions, cucumber, livestock, etc., etc. Although it has close proximity to Ouagadougou, Komsilga is however currently undergoing a massive facelift as the Traore solar-powered city is being constructed within the city center. As of now, Komsilga is witnessing an influx of residents who are relocating en masse out of Ouagadougou, either for inability to afford rent in the capital or for the purpose of low cost of living in Komsilga. So from private homes, businesses, and the central water treatment plant that ensures the distribution of clean water to Komsilga, all are powered by the cutting-edge 90 megawatts and 50 megawatt solar power plant in the city. The small town of Consilga is designed to be climate resilient with energy efficient homes and green spaces. This includes measures to mitigate extreme heat and conserve water, enhancing the city's resilience to the effects of climate change. The multi-million-dollar Consilga solar power plant project prioritizes local materials and traditional construction techniques, creating jobs and boosting the local economy. This approach strengthens local capacity for sustainable development and promotes the use of locally sourced materials, contributing to local economic growth. Using Consilga as a model, Captain Ibrahim Traore is replicating same solar power station technology in key sectors of infrastructure in Burkina Faso, such as the construction of the first solar-powered train facility in Africa and the $1.5 billion cutting-edge solar-powered Ouagadougou Strip Mall and the Ouagadougou-Donsin International Airport, which is also going to be fully powered by solar energy. Independent companies have also tapped into green energy revolution, leading to the country's first electric car assembly plant, among others. Not only that, Consilga's model is also being replicated in multiple rural communities within Burkina Faso, showcasing the potential of solar energy for development and its crucial role in combating climate change. The Solar City in Consilga provided a blueprint for sustainable development in Africa today, and it has inspired other African countries to adopt similar initiatives. For example, in Uganda, the AMEA have started construction of 24 megawatt solar PV project, which is expected to be the largest in the region upon completion. The project, called Ituka, is located in Ombachi village, Madi Okolo district. Additionally, other solar projects like the Tororo Solar North and the Bogla Island Solar Hybrid Mini Grid are already in operation in Uganda. In Kenya, several solar grid projects are ongoing, including both large-scale solar power plants and smaller mini grids. These projects aim to increase electricity access, particularly in rural areas, and diversify the country's energy mix. Also in Morocco, a solar grid construction project, specifically the Dra Taifalat Solar Project, is ongoing as well. The project aims to generate 52% of Morocco's electricity from renewable sources by 2030. That also involves multiple solar photovoltaic plants across the provinces of Erachidea, Midelt, and Tange. Additionally, Morocco has approved the construction of 2 new solar power plants near Kariba, further boosting its renewable energy capacity in the country, among others. Although I intend to do a separate video where I'm going to showcase all the solar power grid projects that are currently ongoing in Africa and how they are changing both the economic and the infrastructural landscape of Africa in general. The ambitious solar power grid project, which is the first of its kind for the country, underscores Burkina Faso's commitment to a greener future, while on the other hand, Komsilga is a beacon of hope, demonstrating how communities can adapt to climate change and build a better future. The future of renewable energy in Africa is promising, with projections indicating a significant shift towards renewables. Africa possesses abundant renewable energy resources and is actively pursuing projects to increase renewable energy capacity and access. Solar and wind power are expected to play a leading role in this transition, with solar leading the way in cost effectiveness and potential. The Solar City of Consilga serves as a model for other countries in Africa, demonstrating the potential of renewable energy to address energy poverty and contribute to sustainable development. In terms of resource capacity, Africa has vast potential for renewable energy, with estimated resources far exceeding future electricity demands. For the records, different African countries are making significant investments in solar, wind, and hydropower projects. In the nearest future, renewables are projected to account for a large share of installed capacity by 2035 and 2050, with solar and wind leading the way. Indeed, the time has come for Africa, and it's no coincidence. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Comment your thoughts in the comment section. And don't also forget that you need to share this video across social media platforms. And I'll see you on the next one.